Hey there, breakfast lovers! Welcome to today's video. I will be sharing high-protein breakfasts to boost your day. And for more healthy tips, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Why high-protein breakfasts? Well, protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, and it helps keep you full and focused throughout the morning. Plus, it's a great way to jumpstart your metabolism. First up, a classic Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, fresh berries, granola, and a sprinkle of protein powder for a protein-packed breakfast that's easy to prep. Next, a creamy and protein-rich avocado toast with poached eggs. Toast whole grain bread, mash avocado, and top with poached eggs and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Now, a refreshing smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite fruits, Greek yogurt, and protein powder, then top with granola, nuts, and fresh fruit. And there you have it, folks. 3 high-protein breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Remember, breakfast is an essential meal, so make it count with protein. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips.